Hey guys, it's Tamara from Pristish. Just wanted to show you another item that you can get either online at pristis.com or come on into the store. Alright, so these are the LoraLin Crocheted Handmade Booties. They are so cute. This one's my favorite pair for the girls. This has got sparkly little unicorns. It's made with soft organic fabric. The size range is 0 to 6 months. Absolutely adorable. These would make such a good baby shower gift. They are fastened with a shell button, and your price range is going to be anywhere from $28 to $30. Here's some more of your girl options. So we have just a really pretty plum purple with a heart, again with the shell button on the back. This one's my second favorite, is the little cupcakes. And then we've got blues, pinks, yellows, whites. These are just some of the variations we have available. And then the boys, we didn't forget about you. So we have the little sports, some teddy bears, more sports, penguins, and look at the little fox. These are so adorable. Again, these are the LoraLin Handmade Crocheted Booties, and your price range on them is going to be anywhere from $28 to $30. All right, guys, have a great day.